When I have lemon and eggs at home, I make this recipe that everyone has loved. For this recipe, we are going to add here 4 eggs and 4 lemons. These lemons I already removed the peel, and also the middle cut. Also add half a cup of oil, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and we're going to hit it very well. And people are already commenting on what city you're watching us from, and I'm going to send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. Now I'm going to be passing it through a sieve here and strain very well until it stays like this here. Now I'm going to add 2.5 cups of wheat flour and beat it very well. I will now add 2 spoons of baking powder and mix again. Guys, this cake looks amazing. I'm sure all of you who try it won't regret it, and you'll love it because it's delicious. I'm going to add the dough in a greased shape and sprinkled with wheat flour, and put in an oven preheated to 180 degrees for about 45 minutes. Our lemon cake was ready, and it was super delicious. I'm sure that all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it already, share, and see you next time.